Hello, students. I'm your teacher, Jesrel. How are you? Oh, you are fine. That's good to hear. Our lesson for today is all about vocabulary words. I repeat, vocabulary words. But before we proceed with our discussion, let us have first an activity. Students, are you excited? Yes? If you are excited, let's proceed with our activity. The title of the activity is Sound Effect Challenge. I repeat, Sound Effect Challenge. In this activity, we will be able to guess the sound of the words. You will repeat after me. You will spell the words letter by letter. So class, are you ready? Yes? If you are ready, let's begin with our activity. First word is prepare. Prepare. Spell prepared. Yes, very good student. P, a sound P, R, sounds R. E, E, P, A, R, E. Prepare. Next, second word is, my goodness. Second is, sorry for that, students. Second word is, second word is future. I repeat, future. Future. Spell future. Yes, very good. Future. We spell this as Future. Future. Great job, students. Next, the last word is gather. I repeat, gather. Gather. Very good, students. Gather. Next, how do you spell gather or gather? Excellent, students. G A T H E R. Gather. Very good, students. So let's have a recall. First word is prepared. Second word is future. And the last word is gather. So, class, did you understand our activity? Yes? Very good. Class, did you enjoy our activity? Yes? Very good, students. I hope you learned something about our activity. Thank you, my dear students, for listening and participating with our activity and lesson for today. So, goodbye. Goodbye, students.